Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming iOS 17 or newer, and that Maps can access location. This matters because offline maps are tied to your Apple ID. Once ready, connect to Wi-Fi and plug in if battery is low, since large areas use data and power. Next, open Apple Maps, search the city or region you need, then tap the three dots and choose Download for offline. This starts the actual transfer. Make sure the map preview covers all streets and routes you expect to use. Once the download begins, you should refine the area by zooming or panning so the saved map includes the exact roads and points of interest you need. Otherwise, you might miss a turn. Make sure to monitor progress in Maps under Offline Maps, where you can pause or resume if signal drops. Also, check storage in Settings to see how much space the offline region uses, and delete or trim areas if storage becomes tight. This keeps navigation fast and prevents unexpected low storage issues. You now use the offline map exactly like an online one for turn-by-turn directions inside the saved area. Voice guidance and POI search work from local data. Make sure to update downloaded maps before long trips, since offline data can expire after several weeks. Open offline maps and refresh. If navigation fails, first toggle airplane mode briefly, then relaunch maps. If that doesn't help, delete the region and re-download. This sequence fixes most sync or corrupted download issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.